today's video we're going to be doing part 4 of my Zodiac series. So for this video, it's going to be for the Zodiac sign Cancer, and yeah, I'm really excited to be continuing with this series. Seems like you guys really like it, so I'm really happy about that. So if you guys want to see what look I created from the Cancer Zodiac symbol, then just keep on watching. Why do we believe in astrology? Although astrology is not a religion, it offers comfort, faith, and a deeper understanding of the world we live in. Interpretations often offer assurances of one's future, but more importantly, they are supposed to show us a way to resolve our issues and to improve our relationships with our partners, family, and friends, and mainly tools to meet ourselves and discover our own inner worlds in a different light. Cancer, the crab, June 21st to July 22nd. Those born under the zodiac sign Cancer need to be needed. They have a great desire to feel loved and appreciated in every part of their lives. This is needed so that they can develop a sense of security and identity. To the Cancer zodiac sign, their sense of home is very important to their feeling of safety and comfort. They find it rather difficult to achieve unless they feel safe in their home. They are talented at developing home environments for people that are close to them, in both an emotional and a physical sense. Cancer, water, cardinal, receptive. Positive qualities: nurturing, supportive, healing, compassionate, and unconditionally loving. Negative qualities: dependent, indirect, moody, passive-aggressive, and unable to let go. Cancer, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Cancer Zodiac sign makeup tutorial, and if you guys want to see more Zodiac sign tutorials, then please like up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!